अगर उसे कुछ करना था ना, वो कुछ भी करके करेगा.
And I had only like 30 seconds of interaction. What I liked about him was he was just concentrating on his act.
Also, like you said, he focuses on that act. वो बहुत focused था.
About Sushant's dog.
No.
Because nobody knows what happened to that dog. We still don't know what happened to that dog.
Yeah.
So did you try and communicate? No. What do you think right now as a friend or right now as audiences or people, we should be doing for him? कर रहे थे, कुछ लोग एक्टिंग कर रहे थे जिनका लेना देना नहीं था, and they were very big people who literally used his death for advantage.
I honestly don't know. Maybe he needed just one person to speak up,
Once जब मैं नया आया था, न्यू टैलेंट अवार्ड्स करके टीवी अवार्ड होता था, where me and Sushant were both performing अलग अलग अपने अपने शो के लिए. मैं बंदनी में था, वो पवित्र में था, and I had only like 30 seconds of interaction. What I liked about him was he was just concentrating on his act. कि मेरा act आने वाला है, उसको वो था. He was like, just can I have a cigarette and all that stuff. That concentration, that focus was what I remember, and that drive. What do you remember about him जो शायद लोगों को नहीं पता और हमें पता होना चाहिए, because we should count about all the good things.
Yeah, that's what, right? We should focus on like the good.
The good, the beautiful, the positive.
Yeah, so he was.
और ये हिंदी में, क्योंकि सुशांत की बहुत फैंस हिंदी में, ठीक है?
ठीक है. वो बहुत ही अगर उसे कुछ करना था ना, वो कुछ भी करके करेगा. हम एक बार उनके फार्म हाउस पे थे, वी वर लॉट ऑफ फ्रेंड्स, और उसने कहा था कि आज मुझे स्केटबोर्डिंग करना है. आई एम नॉट जोकिंग. ऑल ऑफ अस, सो ही हैड हिज रूम दैट साइड, ऑल द गर्ल्स, लाइक 3 of us गर्ल्स वर स्लीपिंग इन दिस रूम. तो वी वेंट टू स्लीप, पर वो 5 घंटे स्केटबोर्डिंग करता रहा टिल ही फिगर्ड आउट अ वे टू डू इट. बाय द टाइम वी वोक अप, वो स्केटबोर्डिंग कर रहा था.
वाओ.
या तो ही वॉज जस्ट कि मुझे करना है तो करना है. तो ही, एंड ऑल्सो लाइक यू सेड, ही फोकसेस ऑन दैट एक्ट. वो बहुत फोकस्ड था. इफ ही वांटेड टू डू वन थिंग, ही वुड फोकस ऑन दैट थिंग. ही लिव इन द प्रेजेंट.
There's a very famous person and a very famous pet that was discussed. Did you try and communicate with him? I'm talking about Sushant's dog.
No.
Because nobody knows what happened to that dog. We still don't know what happened to that dog.
Yeah.
So did you try and communicate? No.
I don't have the guts.
Emotional.
Yeah. Also, like that, your emotions come in the way.
Which always do. And Kisan, actually, जब मैं थोड़े समय पहले दुबई में था, I saw a video where it was his anniversary, and you had gone to some function, and literally I know that you've been close to him, you've spoken, and you were crying. And I saw the trolls and the comments that दीदी attention लेने आई हैं, दीदी ये करने आई हैं. You've heard that a lot. What does that do to you?
Because as an actor, I feel like, especially it's a thing in India, कि if you're an actor, you can't grieve. If your friend has passed, you are posting for attention. No matter what happens in your life, you are an actor, so how can you have feelings? You are an actor, so you are faking it for camera even when your friend passes. There's no thing ki, dude, this person's friend has passed.
Yeah.
They're going to feel something.
Yeah.
You don't post नहीं कर रही है. They're friends but post नहीं कर रही. You post attention के लिए कर रही है. There is no way you can win in this situation.
कुछ लोग एक्टिंग कर रहे थे जिनका लेना देना नहीं था, and they were very big people who literally used his death for advantage. I don't want to name, everybody knows, big news reporters, big portals, people who are calling themselves ghost whisperers, big Bollywood actors. There are very few people who were really literally friends like you, जिन्होंने बात करी, and you got the backlash, they got the
yeah, I mean, why?
फायदा.
Dude, no one is so stupid that they'll risk their life for fame.
और लोग अपना फायदा भी उठाते हैं. और ये मैं कैमरे पे भी बोलना चाहूँगा, मैंने आई थिंक आई रोट अबाउट इट ऑल्सो. इतने लोगों ने ना उसकी मौत पे रोटी सेकी है अपनी. They've literally made careers out of it. You are one person in private conversations or in public, you had one stand that, you know, I am a friend and I really, you know, feel for that person. Very few people do that, and I don't know how you got the balls to do that. What gave you the strength? कहाँ से हिम्मत आ रही थी?
Maybe him, I don't know. I honestly don't know. Maybe he needed just one person to speak up, you know. Maybe he did.
Now, in hindsight, you think बहुत सारे दोस्त हो सकते थे तुम्हारे साथ जिन्हें बोलना चाहिए था और तुम. Do you think he was wronged by his own friends even after he passed on?
I mean, see, at that level, you don't know who are your friends. You know, I just, as a human being, if that happened to any friend, if my friend was a banker, if my friend was an artist, if my friend was working in a salon, if my friend was in another country, I would do the exact same thing. I'd be like, I don't know what happened to my friend. You know, that's it.
What do you think right now as a friend or right now as audiences or people, you know, we should be doing for him?
I don't think there's anything we can do. Honestly, at this time, I just pray that he finds peace, you know, because
That's exactly what we can do. That's exactly what we can do for him.
we can only do what is in our hands.
Yeah.
We can't expect miracles. We can only, you know, be accountable for what we can do. And that is make
देखो,
Sean pray that he is.
मेरा इंटेंशन बिल्कुल भी यहाँ पे कंट्रोवर्सी क्रिएट करना नहीं है, वरना मेरे सवाल कुछ और होते, वरना मैं तुमसे कुछ और पूछता इस चीज़ को लेके जो आप भी जानते. मुझे वो नहीं करना है. मुझे एक चीज़ तुम्हारी जो हमेशा से अच्छी लगी है और वो मुझे लोगों तक ज़रूर पहुँचानी थी कि यू नो, यू आर अ सॉलिड फ्रेंड एंड दैट यू शोन even with someone being there, even with someone passing on. For that, I love you. I really, really do.